pump track opening today. I personally want to thank all the sponsors. We've had such amazing support from everybody.
Well, what happened is young Ken approached me, local businessman, and said he liked what we did with Kids Bike Taupō and wanted to do something for the community. So I said, Ken, I have a vision, I have a plan. And I talked about Crown Park, what I wanted to do here. And we sat down with Izelda from TDC and I talked about what I'd like to do, and she talked about what we had, and we did a bit of brainstorming. Sarah from the road safety team got involved too, and we came up with a plan, and then Ken said, yes, I'll pay for the pump track.
Basically, I want to say thank you to the community. Thank you for being able to come and do this together, and I hope that it paves the way for us to be able to do more community programs and projects together.